If you've been wondering how this beautiful turtleneck is being achieved, in this video you'll be learning how to calculate and cut this beautiful turtleneck as seen on your screen.
The wideness of the turtleneck I used was 2.5. This is 2.5. Forget about this. This is sewing or zip allowance. This is zip allowance. So the wideness I used here was 2.5 because I don't want it to have a surplus beside here. So the depth I used was 5.5. 5.5 is what I actually use.
Minus sewing allowance.
For you to cut your turtleneck to get the accurate measurement, like for it to sit properly well, what you need to do is that you bring in your, after joining it, because we actually sewing invisible, like inner sewing. So what you do is that you bring in your dress and calculate the neckline. This is 6 inches. This is 12 inches. This is 18 inches. And this is 24.2. So 24, you go ahead and divide the measurements by 4 because the turtleneck will be cut in a circular form. 24.2 now gives us 6.1. So 6.1, at this point, you bring in the fabric you want to use in cutting the turtleneck. So I folded my fabric. Remember what we are looking for is 6.1 divided times 4 will give us that 22.2 that we are actually looking for. So what we'll now do now is to calculate here. So let me show you how you can calculate to get what you want. Now, for example, this is what I'm doing. Let me start from here. This is 4.5. This is 4.5. 4.7. 4.7. 4.7. 4.7. Let's measure. So I've actually measured, it gives me 7 inches. So I'll come up a bit because I'm looking for 6.1. This is 6.6. So it doesn't matter, so that in case you need x6 like extra. So I'm measuring upward. The measurement I'm using upward is 2 inches because of allowance, but the finishing of this turtleneck will actually give us 1.5. So that's 2 inches. Connect it together. Now let's measure this neckline. This is 3.5 plus 3.5, that's 7. 7 plus 7, that's 14. Okay, so this is because the normal neckline of that person is 12 that we are working with. So this is it. So at this point, we'll go ahead and cut it out.
It's 14.
I'm actually not cutting directly on that line. This is it. We've gotten what you are looking for. Since it's a circular form,
In case the measurement is not complete, so I can adjust it.
This is it. Then go ahead and duplicate it. So go ahead and place it because you are duplicating it. That's for the turning. You are using the same fabric to turn it. So if you watched this video to this moment, I'm grateful. Thank you for supporting this page. Without you, there is no Absolute Styles. I love you. Please kindly click on the share button Share it for your people to learn, for your friends to learn. So, this is it. I know you wouldn't want to wait to see the finishing of this dress. It's very beautiful. It's a beautiful turtleneck dress with a hammer, princess bustier, and a peplum. Full peplum. That is 1,440 degrees peplum. This is how it looks.